Hi! In today's tutorial, we will guide you through the process of creating fillable forms in Microsoft Word. This handy feature can save you time and effort when it comes to collecting information or creating interactive documents. So, let's get started. Open Microsoft Word. To create a new document, click on File in the top left corner of the screen, and then select New from the drop-down menu. This will open a selection of document templates to choose from. In the search bar, type Form to filter the templates, and find the one suitable for your needs. Microsoft Word provides a range of pre-designed form templates that you can customize to fit your requirements. Select the one that best matches your purpose. After selecting a form template, you will be taken to a new document with the chosen form layout. Now it's time to customize it according to your preferences and the specific information you want to collect. To add form fields, click on the Developer tab in the ribbon menu at the top of the screen. If you can't see the Developer tab, don't worry. We'll show you how to enable it. Click on the File tab, then select Options at the bottom of the left-hand menu. In the Word Options dialog box, click on Customize ribbon on the left and ensure that the Developer option is checked. Hit OK to apply the changes. Once the Developer tab is visible, click on it and then select Design Mode. This mode allows you to add and customize form controls to your document easily. In Design Mode, on the Developer tab, click on the desired form control you want to insert, such as text fields, checkboxes, drop-down lists, or date pickers. This way, you can collect different types of information from the form users. After inserting a form control, you can adjust its properties to further customize it. Click on the form control and on the Controls section, select Properties. This will let you modify the appearance and behavior of the control according to your requirements. Once you've designed your form, it's time to protect it. Navigate to the Protect section in the Developer tab, and then select Restrict Editing. This will prevent accidental modifications to the form structure. Finally, it's crucial to test your form to ensure it works as intended. To do this, click the Design mode in the Controls section to exit and start filling in some sample information to check if the form fields function as planned. Once you're satisfied, you can save the document and distribute it to your intended audience. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Thank you for watching.